Let's go touch it. Nah. Jokes. I should have brought my life straw. I kind of want to get under it. Go left, or we go straight is the easy one. Or maybe we'll go down, and when they go, we can check it out up here.
So we're going bottom floor?
Yeah, because hopefully there's less people. Hopefully. What do you say about my balls? This is a bit slipperier. This isn't even stairs, eh? Thank God for this tree.
Ah!
What?
What is wrong with my knee?
I didn't do nothing. How was that my fault?
Because you made me land harder on my knee.
Always blaming the white man. Oh, this isn't even stairs. Kind of. No, it's stairs, it's stairs. Ish. Oh, how cool does that look? I just don't like the sand here. It's a bit slippery.
I have a feeling I'm going to be crying at the end of this.
Give me a hand. I'll turn my phone. Oh, I missed the gecko. No, urban explorers. Suburban. No, bush explorers today. It's a turkey! Can we eat it? It's protein.
Yeah. Probably.
Is it gonna bite us? Nah. I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of heights. Yeah, we made it. 400 meters down. Yeah, it's nice. Let's go for a walk in the water. Turkey. Maybe I should lock it. Can you like close my bag? The zip? It's eating scraps. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, cold. Slow way off that. Man, that's cold. Is that not a hole? Only when you're all out there, it's going to be slipping. Bit slipping. It's on the way down somehow. Meh. Yay!
El Grande Rapid. Oh, this part's even cooler. And it's got sharp rocks. Slippery. My knee is going to be so sore. My one that's a bit bung. I walked up pretty far and I got to just this point here and I slipped, but I fell on my side, so it wasn't too bad. I'm pretty close, but I think it might be pretty slippery further up, so I don't think I should try for it. It's alright, but I'll turn the camera around the other way. So this part here seems to be pretty bad. I'm pretty close. I kind of want to like duck my head under, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get close enough, because this part here is the really bad stuff. Yeah, it's really slippery though. This part here is pretty slippery. I think you can maybe got to go around there. I don't know. I'm so close but so far. It's right here. I want to go like under it so someone can pee up the top and it's like a golden shower. How mad would that be? My legs are slipping like right now.